You've been hearing us say you too can get 500 orders per month. We've even shown you real-life proof of our clients achieving this. But some of you still don't believe, and some of you just can't comprehend how we are able to make this happen. So let me break it down for you in this video. When you sign up for our premium sponsored ads, you're not just getting ads, you're getting an entire team of experts dedicated to the success of your business. Here is how we work. The first step after onboarding is strategy. Without a strategy, you could end up spending more on ads without making sales. Our team of experts will develop strategies that will position your brand to attract ready-to-buy customers. After you select your 2 preferred strategies, our team will work with you to create 2 scripts that effectively communicate those strategies. We understand that creating attention-grabbing videos requires time, effort, specialized knowledge, equipment, and resources that you may not have readily available. That's why we schedule a day that works best for you. Our video director, videographers, content creator, and editors will come to your location to shoot 2 high-quality videos for your brand. Your finished videos will be ready within 48 hours. To help you attract ready-to-buy customers, not just inquiries, we'll create a sleek mini website for your business offer. It will include all the essential details your customers need to place an order, and you simply fulfill the order. While we handle everything, all you need to do is fund your ads campaign and watch the 500 orders roll in. Once the videos are completed, your personal ads specialist takes over. They will use Meta Ads Manager to set up and launch your campaigns, ensuring you bring in at least 500 orders every month. While we handle the ads, all you need to do is fund the campaigns and watch the orders come in. For just 149,999 naira, you have your own marketing team dedicated to bringing in 500 orders per month. If this sounds like what your business needs, click on the link below to sign up for our premium sponsored ads package today.